You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, let's learn how to pronounce it. A name of Old Slavic origin, Eastern European, Polish, Russian. The Russian pronunciation, also Polish, Casimir. Casimir. This is why the pronunciation in English is normally as Casimir. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.